JK Paper Limited CPM unit. Petrochemical gold going out to Reliance Industries Limited, Nago Thane Manufacturing Division. Thank you, Mr. Chandak. For everybody else, there's lots to be desired. If you applaud for others, maybe they'll do it for you and return the favors when you walk up. Petrochemical. A gold going out to Supreme Petrochem Limited. The last 5 awards of this segment. The rest of the awards will be continued in an evening segment and tomorrow morning in the presence of Dr. Bhaskar Chatterjee. Starting with now, petroleum marketing, a gold going out to GAIL India Limited, Vagoria. Printing and Packaging, ITC Limited Packaging and Printing Unit, Haridwar. A silver going out to Industar Limited. Petroleum and Storage Gold Award going out to GAIL, Tripura NG Pipeline System, Agartala, Tripura. All right, moving on to Thermal Power. A silver going out to SR Power Hazira Limited, Hazira. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands up in the air. This is the second last award of the morning. For Thermal Power, a final honor going out to NTPC Limited, Ramagundam Super Thermal Power Station. Well, congratulations to all the winners and continue to do the good work. Mr. Nayyar is already on the stage. Mr. Sharan is also on the stage. While we have officially concluded the first set of awards for this morning, I always feel that certain special efforts should always be recognized, acknowledged, because they become an inspiration for others. For me as an anchor, it is very important to get the required level of interaction and response from the audience. So just like people are allowed to choose the best companies in their respective field of practices, as an anchor, I get to choose my best audience. Everybody, a huge round of applause for Mr. Chandak. Sir, can I invite you on the stage to please receive a very special memento from us? Well, he's earned it, everybody. Let's not be jealous. Let's clap for him. I had given you a small mathematics about clapping in the morning. Mr. Chandak की जुल्फें देख के आप समझ रहे होंगे that how hard he works on that just by clapping.
Thank you very much.
शुक्र है Mr. Chandak Oscars नहीं गए. Lekin everybody, with this, while we thank Mr. Nayyar for his time, once again, let us have a very special memento for Mr. R.C. Nayyar for being here with us this morning, taking out his precious time, and for always being such a mentor to Green Tech. Also, a gift going out to him. At this moment, I would thank you so much for your time, sir. Mr. Sharan, I would request you to please be on stage. Mr. Nayyar, please take your seat in the audience. Thank you for your time. I would request Mr. S.N. Singh to please join us on the stage to receive a very special commemorative certificate that we have for him, because he was also a part of the inaugural panel on the stage. And yes, of course, he's our platinum sponsor. तो एक बार जोरदार तालियां for Mr. S.N. Singh from ONGC. Thank you so much, Mr. Singh. Thank you, Mr. Sharan. Please take your seats in the audience. We are straight away diving into the first knowledge session of this conference. Because we tweaked the plan a little. Use the next 1 minute to interact, to meet and greet, probably take a quick bio break till we set up the stage. You know, our first knowledge session is a panel discussion, worker safety and welfare during construction activities. Our panelists for the first section are Shri Parmeshwar Nayak, the Labour Minister, Government of Karnataka; Shri K.K. Gupta, former Executive Director for Corporate Health, Safety and Environment, Indian Oil Corporation; Dr. R.K. Alangovan, Director, Safety and in charge, Regional Labour Institute, Chennai; and Shri D.C. Chaudhary. Do we have Mr. D.C. Chaudhary in the house now? No. So which brings us, we have 3 panelists in the house. This is going to be a quick panel discussion, after which we break for lunch, and hopefully after that, this train comes back on track. We've already got our seatings ready. Mr. R.C. Nayyar is not here. You need to pick up the people who are not sitting. S.N. Singh is not there. Please bring it for K.K. Gupta. He's there. He's there.